Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Myth. Today I'm going to make pretend vaccines. I'm sad because of COVID-19. People are dying because of COVID. I'm very sad about that, so I'm going to make some pretend vaccines. Scientists are working hard to find a type of vaccine to stop COVID from coming. Otherwise, everyone will die in the whole entire earth. And we don't want that. So scientists are hardly looking for a vaccine that will work. I know they're working hard, so I'm going to make one my own, but pretend so it won't work. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's put this away and take this. Then take the funnel, pour some water, not too much. Okay, that looks enough. Now I have some goggles on because this is baking soda, so that's why I'm wearing goggles. And guys, when you are doing experiments, make sure you have science experiment gears like goggles. Goggles are really important. Okay, I'm going to put one more scoop, then I'm going to put the Mentos. Just one baby scoop, and then the Mento. Okay, now it's mixed. Wait, I see the molecules of the Mentos coming. Or maybe the baking soda molecules. This is a dropper I'm using.
What are you doing?
I'm making vaccines.
Vaccine for what?
COVID-19.
COVID-19 vaccine?
We can also wear goggles when we are outside to protect our eyes from COVID getting in our eyes, especially in this COVID-19 time.
So what do you know about COVID-19?
People die and sneeze and cough like that, things like that. And how the COVID-19 started is, I'm not sure how the COVID-19 started, but I think how the COVID started is because someone ate a bat, and bats have COVID, which we are in right now. So I think that's why that's how the COVID started. Someone ate a bat and sneezed, and someone else got it, and that same thing kept repeating, and it spread everywhere. And now there's a new type of COVID, which new version, but still COVID. So you have to do things like this. You have to do things like this, like experiments and stuff.
So what about the new version?
The new version is like same, kind of same.
But why is it new?
I don't know. Okay, let's get some more baking soda. Put it in. some more. I don't know how much I'm going to use. Okay, let's open the Coca Cola. And make sure you don't shake it, because if you shake it, it will explode by itself. Ugh. Can you open it for me? Okay, I'm going to slowly pour it in without shaking. Oh no! It's spilling because of science. It's going through the side because of science. The science. Can you pour it in for me? Because this was falling. Whoa. Look at that Coca Cola. Okay, we are going to put a few Mentos. Because right now that Coca Cola doesn't have any reaction. So we are going to put some Mentos so it can have a reaction. The reaction is happening. I also smell Coca Cola. Look at that reaction of the Mentos. Can I pour it? Otherwise it will spill on the side because of science. Ooh, too much! We were supposed to put the Mentos first, then pour the Coke. Maybe a few more Mentos. Maybe all. Why don't we try some baking soda? Then mix it up. It's working, I think. Don't you hear that? I put my hand, now it stopped. Okay, two more. Reload. Next, mix it up. Okay, more Coca Cola, Coca Cola, Coca Cola. What's going to happen? Let's see. That's it. What is this? I don't know why the bubbles are staying still. This is kind of like slime. This thing here, which floats because it's less dense than Coca Cola, and baking soda is more dense than Coca Cola, so it sinks to the bottom. But like this, which is on the top, it's less dense. But we can make it more dense with other stuff on top. Okay, let's clean up this mess on this plate. Coca-Cola paper. There is some Coca-Cola in here. So I'm going to shake it a little bit. Then put the Mentos in. And what? And Papa poured food color in to make it cool. Guys, that is my pretend medicine. I'm going to wait 48 hours, but you can wait 24 hours or 48 hours. Okay, this is my COVID protein. This one. Okay, let's open them and put a 1 drop of Coca Cola in. Okay, let me just get some. That's a little bit. So let's put it in here. So it doesn't drink anymore. Then drip 1 drop goes. Drip 1 drop goes. And this one, we don't need more Coca-Cola because it's full of Coca-Cola. Now blue. Take it. Boop. Okay. Get some more. And I'm gonna put like 3 drops. Bang, boom, bling, boom, boom. I'm gonna put all. Okay. Guys, this is yellow, and I'm going to take a few drops of blue and pour it in here. And what, guys, what do you think the color is going to change? I know the color, but what do you think? I'm not going to tell you yet. Let's see. But I know. Okay, let's pour some in. Whoa! It makes green. So, now I'm going to take green and put green into blue and see what it makes. I don't know about green with blue. It kind of got black. Guys, it has been 48 hours and I think my COVID vaccine is ready. I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to put a few drops up to 100 ml here. So I only need a few drops for that. Tell me, what is 100? Come on, really reach it to 100. We're there. We are there. Guys, we are going to pour 2 different proteins into the base. Okay, let's pour some. Okay, I'm going to pour all. Okay. Now let's pour blue. Whee. Okay, let's mix it. Now our base is a different color. See? Guys, my COVID vaccine is ready. Now we're going to pour it into the test tube and I am going to name it Ickmas vaccine. Because my channel name is Ickmas. Okay, so let's pour it in with the dropper. Let's put it in. Well, my vaccine is made out of Coca Cola. Okay, let's pour it in. We close this one I made. Now, next, pour it in. Okay, nice. Close it up. Then put the funnel in the other one. And pour it in. Okay, let's close it. Yuppie, 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 yuppie. This is fun. Okay, now our COVID vaccine's ready. Guys, you don't have to put in my vaccine in the freezer. You just have to keep it in the fridge. And it's easier for the hospital and nursing rooms and other hospital parts like that. It's easy for them because they don't have to put it in the freezer and they don't have to keep it -80 degrees. And it's easier to use. And easier to transport too. Guys, I know the scientists are working hard to make these vaccines. So I'm trying to help them. So I made these vaccines and let's go and put them in the fridge. Okay, take this. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Put it on fresh. It's not on this one here. It's not on chilled. It's on fresh. So everything stays fresh.